everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Well, Nifty has registered the monthly closing for the month of May. And in today's episode, हम discuss करने वाले हैं Nifty 50 का outlook following a multiple time frame approach, starting with the monthly time frame and further towards the end of the video, हम intraday trading approach को भी discuss करेंगे on the 15 minutes time frame. तो बने रहिएगा वीडियो के एंड तक and make sure that आगे बढ़ने से पहले you give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Notification bell को रिंग करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिएगा so that you never miss an update. चलिए, without any further ado, शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो with the monthly time frame of Nifty 50. निफ्टी के monthly time frame पर first of all, after this particular breakout on the monthly charts, आपको देखने को मिलेगा that Nifty registered a follow through candlestick on the higher side. Thereafter हमें यहाँ पर एक डोजी कैंडलस्टिक देखने को मिली है which depicted indecision starting from the month of January 2024. Thereafter you can see that in the subsequent months हमें निफ्टी 50 में दो बुलिश एक्शन कंटिन्यू करते हुए देखने को मिला है, बट अगर आप इन कैंडलस्टिक्स को देखें तो दीज आर स्मॉल बॉडी एंड स्मॉल विक कैंडलस्टिक्स. Further, in this particular month, अगर हम बात करें, which is the month of May, we have once again seen a bearish doji candlestick on the charts. Now, this candlestick has also put an end to the positive move that we were seeing earlier. But क्योंकि ये एक doji candlestick है, तो ये indecision depict करती है, which simply means that at this particular point, neither the bulls are in control nor the bears are in control. यानी कि market में indecisiveness है about which way the market will head further. अब अगर हम यहाँ पर इस डोजी कैंडलस्टिक की रेंज की बात करें तो the levels happen to be 21,821 to 23,110. Also, this upper band that we have at the levels of 23,000 to 23,110 निफ्टी के लिए एक काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस जोन का काम कर रहा है. तो हम यहाँ पर निफ्टी में पॉजिटिव एक्शन अबव दीज लेवल्स एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं once we see a decisive breakout above the resistance zone that we just discussed. Further, because हमें यहाँ पर indecisiveness देखने को मिल रही है, तो it would not be unusual for Nifty 50 to consolidate within this particular range before giving a breakout or breakdown in either direction. तो हम यहाँ पर monthly charts के accordingly निफ्टी में द लेवल ऑफ 21,821 को एज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट लेवल ऑफ सपोर्ट यहाँ पर रेफर कर सकते हैं, बिलो विच downward action can persist in Nifty 50. Now, this uncertainty which comes with the doji candlestick is actually signaling us to be cautious at these particular levels and wait for a clear direction in the index. Now, let's switch to the weekly time frame. On the weekly chart, first of all, we discussed that हमें from the lows एक काफी strong bullish action देखने को मिला था, followed by a pause in the index. Thereafter, Nifty continued its move on the higher side, and आप देख सकते हैं that हमें over the last few weeks Nifty 50 में एक sideways range में consolidation move यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रहा था. Further, हमने last weekly market analysis video में discuss किया था that this level of 22,750 is an important resistance level above which we have seen a breakout in the index. Further, we talked about the fact that अगर हमें Nifty 50 में एक continuation move यहाँ पर नहीं देखने को मिलता है and Nifty fails to sustain above this level of 22,750, then in that case हम यहाँ पर एक retracement move expect कर सकते हैं. So you can clearly see that from these highs, a retracement move has started to pan out in the index. Further, we also discussed that the level of 22,465 might act up as a strong level of support for the index. And आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं that Nifty 50 is quite firmly holding on to the same support level. So for now, हम निफ्टी में 22,465 के लेवल को as an immediate support यहाँ पर कंसिडर करने वाले हैं. And in any case, अगर हमें इस support level का कोई भी breakdown देखने को मिलता है, then the second level would be 22,312, from where we can expect support action in the index. But if Nifty 50 fails to hold above these two support levels, then in that case, downward pressure might open up in the index, जिसके चलते हमें lower levels का test यहाँ पर देखने को मिल सकता है, starting with the lower boundary of this particular range that happens to be at the levels of 21,821, जैसे कि हमने monthly time frame पर भी discuss किया है. So we can say that on the weekly charts, all eyes will be on the level of 22,465 followed by 22,312, which are two important support levels for the index. And if Nifty 50 holds above these two levels, हम expect कर सकते हैं that एक positive move once again from the same unfold कर सकता है. Now, let's shift to the daily time frame. On the daily chart of the index, we have been seeing for quite some time that Nifty 50 एक parallel channel में trade कर रहा है with the lower and upper boundary of the channel acting up as crucial level of support and resistance. Now here आप देख सकते हैं that from the lower end of this range, हमें on the higher side एक काफी strong positive move देखने को मिला. Further, when Nifty 50 tested the top of this parallel channel, you can clearly see that a retracement move started to pan out in the index. Now, what is the current setup looking like? Let's discuss the same. हमने लास्ट डेली मार्केट एनालिसिस वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था that over here हमें एक काफी वाइड कैंडलस्टिक देखने को मिला है with the volatility being elevated in Thursday's trading session. Because if you look at the range of this candlestick, आपको देखने को मिलेगा that it was spread across the levels of 22,417 to the levels of 22,705. Also, we were discussing that 22,465 का जो level है काफी important support का यहाँ पर काम करने वाला है. And from the same levels आप देख सकते हैं हमें index में स्टेबिलिटी देखने को मिली थी. फर्दर हमने डिस्कस किया था दैट इट इज हाईली लाइकली दैट एक इनसाइड बार फॉर्मेशन यहाँ पर हो सकती है गिवन द फैक्ट दैट निफ्टी 50 वाज स्प्रेड अक्रॉस सच अ वाइड रेंज. एंड यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं हाउ ब्यूटिफुली दिस सेटअप पैन्ड आउट विद फ्राइडेज कैंडलस्टिक being inside the range of the previous day candlestick, making it an inside bar setup. अब जब भी हमें ऐसे narrow range setups देखने को मिलते हैं, it is highly likely that consolidation move might go on, and further such setups are generally followed by volatile moves into the direction of the breakout or the breakdown. So what might happen on the daily charts? यहाँ पर जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हमने डिस्कस किया that Nifty 50 में हमें काफी अच्छा सपोर्ट एक्शन देखने को मिल रहा है over the last two trading sessions. And if we also plot the 20 and 40 EMA on the charts, so you will be able to see that the index is placed right above the 40 EMA over here. So we can say that the index is placed at a cluster of supports. And from here, if these support levels are protected, it's likely that हमें on the higher side एक move index में देखने को मिल सकता है. The only hurdle for Nifty 50 will be 22,705. If above these levels, Nifty 50 में एक breakout हमें देखने को मिलता है, then on an immediate basis, 22,820 का level will be quite likely. On the flip side, let's say that if the index breaks below this cluster of supports, then it would be worrisome. And further हम on the downside 22,312 से लेके 22,095 के levels का एक टेस्ट यहाँ पर expect कर सकते हैं, which would also coincide with the lower band of this particular channel. So all in all, we can say that Nifty 50 at this particular point is placed at an interesting level, and I'll make sure to keep you guys updated as in how the price action pans out. Though I hope you've understood what the setup looks like. Now let's move to the hourly chart as well as the 15 minutes time frame, and let's discuss the intraday approach simultaneously. On the hourly chart of Nifty 50 आपको देखने को मिलेगा that the index has already slipped below the 20 and 40 EMA. Now, why do we give weightage to the EMA levels is because the 20 and 40 EMA, especially on the hourly time frame, they give a good idea about the support and resistance levels depending on the placement of the index. Now, over here, आप ये भी देख सकते हैं that how beautifully the index has been respecting these levels of EMAs, and हमें approximately from the level of 22,650 index में rejections देखने को मिल रहे हैं, जो कि आप 15 minutes chart पर भी काफी clearly देख सकते हैं. Also on the 15 minutes chart, it is quite evident how volatile the index has been over the last two trading sessions. Further, here you can also observe that the index did attempt to make a move on the higher side, but from the higher levels हमें यहाँ पर rejection देखने को मिल रहा है. So what is the way forward for Nifty 50? हम यहाँ पर एक resistance establish कर सकते हैं at the levels of 22,650. अब आप देख सकते हैं that this also coincides with the 20 and 40 EMA, and any breakout above the same would trigger the higher levels of about 22,705 on the charts. अब हम 22,705 के level को क्यों consider कर रहे हैं? Because that is the high of the inside bar, which would once again act as a strong level of resistance for the index. Further, on crossing that particular level, हम एक extended upside Nifty 50 में expect कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि हमने discuss किया था, towards the levels of 22,820. ऑन द फ्लिप साइड, अगर हमें यहाँ पर कोई भी ब्रेकआउट नहीं देखने को मिलता है तो हम यहाँ पर वंस अगेन एक साइडवेज एक्शन एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं विद द वॉलेटिलिटी रिमेनिंग एलिवेटेड. नाउ यू माइट एज वेल आस्क दैट व्हाट अबाउट डाउनसाइड लेवल्स. वेल, जैसे कि हमने डिस्कस किया था दैट हमें निफ्टी 50 में एक क्लस्टर ऑफ सपोर्ट्स यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रहा है ऑन द चार्ट्स. सो हम इस क्लस्टर ऑफ सपोर्ट्स के चलते बिलो दिस लोअर बैंड ऑफ 22,417 डाउनसाइड एक्शन एंटिसिपेट कर सकते हैं, जिसके चलते इंडेक्स लोअर लेवल्स को यानी कि 22,312 को अप्रोच कर सकता है. नाउ विद दिस आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड हाउ वी हैव अलाइंड so many different time frames by analyzing each one of them, and you can see how each time frame portrays a story which can be carried along to formulate a final view on the index. Well, now let's discuss the key levels of support as well as resistance for Nifty 50 for the upcoming week. The support is placed at 22,417 followed by 22,312, and the resistance is placed at 22,705 followed by 22,845. And well, let's call it a week, and I hope that आपको आज का ये वीडियो on Nifty 50 पसंद आया हो and you found it informative. So make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also, do let me know in the comments down below what is your view for the index. And on that note, it's Gurleen signing off. Until we meet again, have a good time.